Since my grandfather always talks about bulls and bears in the stock market. Though I don't understand what animals have to do with the financial markets. I requested him to explain it to me. So he told me in a bull market the prices of stocks keep going up, but in a bear market the prices of stocks keep going down. Then I asked him why are increasing prices denoted by bulls and falling prices by bears. Is it because bulls are energetic and bears are lazy? The terms bull and bear are derived from the way each animal attacks its opponents. While attacking, a bull thrusts its horns up in the air from a lower level, whereas a bear starts high and swipes down on its prey during an attack. Wow, that's a cool explanation, don't you think? My grandfather told me it is very hard to predict a bull or a bear market as it depends on several factors, like the situation of economic activity in a country, employment rates, profitability of companies, inflation, and other global factors. The biggest factors that causes a stock market to increase or decrease is the investor's sentiment. The investor's sentiment is people's expectations of the future performance of companies and the economy of the country. People tend to buy more in a bull market as the prices are going up and sell more in a bear market as the prices are going down. This is mainly driven by greed, cha-ching, and fear. In a bull market, greed takes over and people think the prices will keep increasing, so they buy more. Whereas in a bear market, people keep selling because they think the prices will keep going down, and this is because of prevailing fear. In fact, bear markets can be the right time to buy good company stocks at a lower price. As Warren Buffett says, it is wise for the investors to be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful. Hence, a long-term investor shall look for opportunities to buy great companies at good valuations during a bear market. In March 2020, COVID-19 was declared a global pandemic and global equity markets moved into a bear state with huge losses. But some wise investors looked at that as an opportunity to buy good quality stocks at a cheaper price. And see, most markets are now already in a bull run. If only prediction and overcoming fear was so easy, all the investors by now would have become millionaires. An investor has to be smart enough to overcome sentiments and show courage to go against the tide. That is, buy when everyone is selling and sell when everyone is buying. Isn't that exciting? I plan to study more about this exciting area. Till then, keep exploring! I was born ready. Isn't that exciting?